Bite and Strike, and I'm out here with Austin, and we're out here fishing on the pond. As you can see, a nice beautiful day. It's about 70 degrees. Perfect time for bass fishing. It's about 3:24 in the afternoon, and we caught once again a largemouth bass, very beautiful, and this is Austin's fish, and he caught it on a Senko. Very nice. He's about 15 inches, 16 inches, good fighter. And so we're going to throw him back. Hi, this is Cody with Bite and Strike, and we have a big monster bass on here right now. Beautiful, very beautiful bass. We'll take him over here. Caught him on a Gary Yamamoto Senkos. Once again, Austin caught this one. Very beautiful bass. Very beautiful. Take the hook out. And we're getting bites like crazy over here, and you know, it's about 70 degrees, man. This guy was a good fighter. Very beautiful bass. It's a he. Very good mouth. It's Bite and Strike, and Austin's behind the camera, and I just caught a really nice bass, largemouth, and I caught him on a Senko. And as you can see, very nice. Hooked him right in the top. Using the green